Chairman, we have received a copy of the omnibus motion coming from former PDEA. Yeah, motion for this reconsideration coming from former PDEA Chief Mr. Wilkins Villanueva. Makapal po. This is a 16 pages motion. And I will just take this opportunity, Mr. Chairman, that we have, the COMSEC has informed me that we have a quorum in this hearing. And I hope we will discuss this motion by General Wilkins Villanueva, Mr. Chairman. Now, and I do believe that the members of this committee has all had a copy of that motion for reconsideration of former PDEA Chief Wilkins Villanueva. Now, Mr. Chairman, just to get the gist of the motion for reconsideration, first and foremost, Mr. Chairman, I would like to, of course, to salute General Wilkins, former General Wilkins, for respecting the contempt order that was issued to you last hearing, for presenting yourself to this committee and to the House. And with that, I salute you, former General Wilkins Villanueva. Now, to discuss, Mr. Chairman, just a few discussions with regards to the motion for the reconsideration. First, on the first paragraph, Mr. Chairman, in his motion, Mr. Chairman, former PDEA Chief Villanueva cited the following arguments. Number one, first, that he has been very cooperative to the committee as he attended all the hearings and voluntarily answered all the queries. That's number one. And second is that he did not refuse to answer a relevant inquiry. Now, Mr. Chairman, on the first basis for this motion, the question of attending in 4 hearings, is not part of the motion for contempt that was issued to General Wilkins, because the motion for contempt that was issued to General Wilkins is in violation of Section 11, Paragraph C, with regards to refusal to or evasive to answer relevant questions that was being raised by the members of this committee. And he never violated our Section 11, Paragraph A, yung refusal to attend hearings without legal excuse. So the first defense is not consistent or in question, with regards to the contempt order. Now, as to the second argument, we'll discuss, Mr. Chairman, as to the second argument, because in the second argument, he quoted a portion of the decision of the Supreme Court in the case of Lincoln Ong versus the Senate, GR number 256401, dated March 28, 2023. Now, Mr. Chairman, the committee deemed it necessary to consider in toto the motion submitted as part of our commitment and constitutional functions. However, qualifications must first be made as to the application of the Supreme Court decisions in the case at hand. Now, Mr. Chairman, Mr. Wilkins cannot bank in arguments blindly on the aforementioned jurisprudence. Clearly, the circumstances surrounding Ong versus Senate will not squarely apply in the case of the contempt order for former PDEA Chief Villanueva. In the said case, Mr. Chairman, the court invalidated the contempt order by the Senate because of the denial of the due process when the Senate failed to give Ong the opportunity to explain why his testimony is not false and evasive. Now, and for the record, Mr. Chairman, former General Wilkins is present in 4 hearings, and he was given a due process and the time to explain. And paulit-ulit po, well, in fact, during the hearing, last hearing, before this representation moved to cite him in contempt, I warned him about his evasive answer to the question that was raised by Chairman Acop and, of course, Congressman SDS Dong Gonzales during the time, Mr. Chairman. Now, Mr. Chairman, I will not discuss anymore, Mr. Chairman, no, the other facts with regards to Lincoln Ong versus Senate, in which, sabi ko na nga, the decision of the Supreme Court will not apply in the case of General Wilkins Villanueva. Now, he's also quoting about the Senate versus Amita. And once again, Mr. Chairman, the Senate versus Amita case with regards to Secretary Neri is all about the invoking the executive privilege that was invoked during the time. And it was the Supreme Court decision favored the motion of the former then Executive Secretary Mita because they invoked executive privilege. And in this case, quoting some portion of that, decision of the Supreme Court is not, once again, cannot be applied in the case of General Wilkins Villanueva. Now, Mr. Chairman, to end, Mr. Chairman, but on the, let me just quote the last part of the motion of General Wilkins. Now, on page 14, paragraph 20, ito lang po, the movant regrets the misunderstanding may have arisen due to the long hours of hearing and the numerous topics discussed during the Quadcom hearing, and undertakes to continuously and voluntarily participate in the proceedings. Paragraph 21, Mr. Chairman, therefore, the movant appeals to the sound discretion of the Quadcom and humbly and respectfully ask that the Honorable Quadcom consider the totality of the circumstances and lift its contempt order against the movant. So, ang pag-intindi ko po, Mr. Chairman, the movant commitments that during today's hearing and the next hearing, he will cooperate and will answer the queries truthfully, no, that is being addressed to him. And again, Mr. Chairman, and for the record, and once again, I really appreciate this motion for reconsideration of General Wilkins. Attached here with, Mr. Chairman, the verification and certification against Shopping Forum. Unlike in the case of Colonel Grijaldo and some other guest resource person that was cited in contempt, instead of filing a motion for reconsideration in this committee and the House, they filed it in the Supreme Court for the refutes. But anyway, Mr. Chairman, with that, Mr. Chairman, I will not discuss anymore with regards to the statement on paragraph 20 because we have to validate it because General Wilkins, you have quoted some, ito pa nga yung mga kinote mo dito na conversation in this hearing, ano ba to? Saan na to galing? Yung transcript. Yung interpretation to you and the answers coming from you and the questions of the members of this committee, quoting Chairman Acop, me, and the other members of this committee. Saan ba to galing? Sorry, please use the microphone.
Sa YouTube yan, Mr. Chair, pinanood namin ng nireview ko ulit yung
okay.
whole.
Sige, anyway, pagdating mamaya sa inyo, i-validate po natin, no? Yung question about it. But what is important, Mr. Chairman, that sabi ko na nga, personally, I really appreciate, no? Yung naging gesture ni General Wilkins in filing this motion for consideration, at the same time presenting to this committee, and of course to the he is present during his detention, Mr. Chairman. So with that, Mr. Chairman, since we have a quorum, and I already asked some members kanina, with that, Mr. Chairman, I respectfully move that to lift the motion that we have cited in contempt for Mr. Wilkins Villanueva. So, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, there is a motion to lift the contempt order imposed on General Wilkins Villanueva by this committee. Duly seconded. Are there any objections? Amendments? Nothing. The motion is approved. Comsec, please inform the Sergeant at Arms and our LSB that the contempt order has been lifted. So we will now proceed with the interpellation of the